What's up guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Clickfunnels. There are 3 different ways to make money with Clickfunnels. Watch the video till the end and you'll be surprised the 3rd way you can make money with Clickfunnels. Let's go. Welcome back. So people who have heard about Clickfunnels, they probably think of Clickfunnels with the sales funnels, software that builds beautiful sales funnels so that can help people who actually come into sales funnels to become your customers or lead for your business. There are a lot of different ways you can build a sales funnel and on and on. So in this video, we're not going to be talking about what exactly this sales funnel is or what Clickfunnel is. We are just talking about 3 different ways you can actually make money from Clickfunnels. So the first way I'm going to show you is the way that you can actually use Clickfunnels software for your business. Whatever you're selling it, be it as a service provider, i.e. you could be an accountant, doctor, dentist, beautician, real estate agent, realtor, and all that. You can actually use Clickfunnels and build beautiful sales funnels for your business and actually have people come in and buy your product or services. Now, what is the sales funnel? So basically, if you look at it in general, what it is similar to a website where people come in and page that are looking at it, it just gives them, have directed them to one product or one service. There's no distraction. Whereas if you look at the traditional website where they have talked about all of their services, what they can do with, and testimony and all that all over the page, where it gets just confuses customers sometimes who is coming and watching it, coming to your page first time, or it just distract them to actually buying something. Whereas the sales funnel, you actually are focusing on one product, one service, and they can buy it. So building a sales funnel with a Clickfunnel is pretty easy. What you got to do is, this is my backend dashboard where you can just click and build funnel, and you can just go through this process. What you're going to do is sell product, collect emails. So you can just choose collect, sell product. You can do sales product, or you want a product launch or membership site. So just doesn't matter. So you can use, and then you can just give a name. I'll just put test. I'll just go. The reason I'm showing this is because it's really easier for you to build it, because they already have a pre-built template. So all you gotta do is just customize these pre-built template to your whatever you're selling it, right? So let's pick one of them and let's do the preview, right? So here it's the video that you can put it in. They can get a free code. So it could be for your services, a little bit of video of yours, and consultation, all that. So it's pretty simple. They have a lot of different templates that you can get in and do that. So that is one of the ways that you can actually make money with Clickfunnels, is selling products. The other ways you can make money is the similar ways, is where you can actually do the digital products, so that you can tell them we have a membership site, you have digital products, could be the PDF, could be any digital information that you want to give it out to the people, that you can use Clickfunnels to sell that. And making a membership site is pretty easy, where you can just look at the membership area, how easy it is. You can sell your you can coach it, put your video library in there, or sell digital products as a membership site and start making money that way. The 3rd way that you can make money with Clickfunnels is something that where either you know it or a lot of people who know it, but when Clickfunnels first came out, they were pretty big in affiliate marketing. What it is where you can actually sell Clickfunnels product. ClickFunnels product to other people who are actually looking for, who can use ClickFunnels products. Yes, sales funnels that you build it. You can actually build that for a client, and then you can sell that, transfer that sales funnel to that client using your affiliate program, so that there is a monthly recurring membership dues to use the ClickFunnels software, so that whenever they pay that, you get the commission on that. So that's another way of making money for that. Now inside of affiliates, they do have a lot of different products, so it's not only just one product that you can sell it. They do have their courses, they do have books that they sell it, they do have other software that you can sell it. It's books such as books by Russel Brunson, there's the .com secret, there's the expert secret, there's a traffic secret that just came out. Now then they have a couple of other books, there's the One Funnel Away challenge, which actually helps people. It's a 30-day long challenge that helps people how to actually put an offer for their products or services, whatever they want to sell it, and how to present that using ClickFunnels, and how to get the traffic. It's really good within 30 days to learn in and out of online marketing. Now they also have a couple of other software that they sell, such as the script, right, helping you to write the script, the funnel script, and a couple of other affiliate programs. And the good thing about this is, once you have somebody who actually used your affiliate link to buy their software, anything else they buy in the future where you don't have to promote it, ClickFunnels will promote it on your behalf and you'll make money. So third way is I feel a lot much better to actually go out and promote ClickFunnels where everybody uses it and need it to do that. Now there is a lot of different ways you can do and promote all this together. So let me show you how I'm promoting it and making money in all the three different ways. So this is the funnel that I'm using it to promote it. So what I'm using it, this is to I'm targeting right now real estate agents. So believe me, this is just one example that just gives you an idea of how many different ways you can make money. So in this way, I'm just showing different ways where they can get leads. Now this is just focusing targeting agents. I can just change this and I can just put attention a dentist, or attention mortgage broker, or attention salon owner. So I can just target it to a certain way. So I'm just showing it because this template is not only just for the real estate agent, and what I'm showing is how to use social media to get free leads and sales. Now if somebody goes through that, they buy my blueprint, which is a digital product, which is for $7, and then they go ahead and buy an upsell, which is another $87. Now if I go back here, then they get access to my membership area. So within the membership area, I also have another thing that they can get which is the masterclass, where there is a video course of the things where I can teach people how to use that, and how they can actually get this template that I'm talking about it. Now the first way I already built it is where they actually bought my digital product. Second is they actually want to use this template where I teaches them in the masterclass, and so they can use it for their own. Now once they get this template, it's transferred to their account, they become my affiliate. So I have sold the ClickFunnel account to them under my name, so I get a affiliate commission from the ClickFunnels, right? So that's another way of doing it. The other one I can do is where actually I can build this for the people who don't want to go through the whole process of doing it themselves. I build this sales funnel for them and give it to them. So as an agency, I can do that, and where I charge them anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200. So in order for me to build this for them and then transfer it to them, right? So nutshell, those are the three different ways you can make money with the ClickFunnels. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, and if you're not still subscribed to my channel, what's stopping you? Why don't you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, bell, and give me a thumbs up that you like this video. Alright guys, see you for the next video. Bye.